Most building fire doesn't spread because the flame is big. They spread because the building allows the spread. In the next few minutes, you will learn about what causes fire, how they spread, and how to protect your building. Based on incident data, 5 causes account for the majority. Firstly is electrical fault, degraded installation, circuit overload, equipment failure. This creates ignition points inside the wall. Next is uncontrolled flame, cooking equipment, space heaters, open flame source left unattended. And next is gas system failure, leaking connections and faulty regulators turn fuel into explosive hazard. And the next is combustible material storage. Combustible materials placed too close to heat source. And the last we have human error, improper equipment use, inadequate supervision, and procedural failure. Recognition is the foundation of prevention. Now let's examine response. Fire suppression requires matching the agent to the fuel source. Misapplication doesn't just fail, it escalates the incident. Fire classification and suppression. Class A fire. This involves ordinary combustible such as paper, wood, textile, and similar materials. Standard in commercial and residential occupancies. Water-based or foam agents are effective, and cooking oil. Common in mechanical room and food service area. Never use water. Use foam or carbon dioxide extinguishers. Class C fires. This involve flammable gases under pressure. Class D fire. This involve combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, and metal dust. These are found in manufacturing and maintenance environments. This requires specialized dry powder formulation. Electrical fire. These occur in energized equipment such as panels, machinery, and computer systems. Water conducts current and creates electrocution risk. Use carbon dioxide or dry powder extinguishers only. Your extinguisher selection is not a preference, it's a technical requirement. Fire propagation follows predictable pathway. Understanding this pattern is what separates reactive panic from effective responses. Now let's talk about how fire spread, because this is where the building either protect you or betray you. Fire move in 3 different ways: through heat, through smoke, and through flame. Stair walls and elevator shafts works like chimney. Hot smoke rises fast, carrying fire to upper floors within minutes. Ceilings and walls often have hidden gaps. Fire creep through these places, traveling to rooms far from where it started, completely out of sight. Air conditioning and ventilation ducts becomes tunnel for heat and smoke, spreading contaminated air throughout the entire building. Doors left open give fresh oxygen and clear path between rooms for fire to go stronger and faster. The biggest problem in most buildings: broken or unavailable fire protection systems. Fire doors are designed to seal off area or trap fire in one zone, but when they are wedged open for convenience, damaged and not repaired, or poorly installed from the start, then they failed completely. That single open door can turn a small kitchen fire into a disaster that evacuates the entire building. 3 non-negotiable actions for building fire safety. 1. Establish routine electrical inspection. Schedule this, don't defer them. 2. Verify fire door functionality across your facilities. Self-closers must function, seals must be intact. Leaving door open negates millions in fire protection investment. And lastly, confirm extinguisher placement, classification, and user familiarity. Personnel must know location and application without searching or reading instruction during an emergency. These are not suggestions. They are the minimum standard for responsible building management.